the waterfall. In the US, it might still be called the Statue of Liberty. The transition point, reaching up for that high throw, you're going to make the throw from that hand before you reach up. So it almost looks like it falls out of your hand. Work on a high throw. Try to keep this hand as still as possible, and as well as working on that little drop. There are two ways to do the trick. One is to have the throwing ball go up high and then this ball goes under. The other way is this more lofty sort of reverse cascade throw. And that gives it a more of a waterfall effect. Good luck.